I've got stuck and I had to ask Hamed to winch me out. We have decided to explore this place and pave a new trail here. So on this occasion, join us and see what we have come up with. On the first section of the route, the terrain is muddy. I tried to lead my comrades without getting dirty. We really don't like to wash cars from dirt. We safely passed the marshy area and got into a rocky section of this path. Here I roll down carefully so as not to scratch my Chevy. I have a hard suspension. The rear shock absorbers are short. I decided to use them when I was building a car to preserve the integrity of the body. I mean, so that they don't stick out through the trunk. Oh, Hamed is going like he's on asphalt. Oh, of course, great and mighty Traxas. Mansouri is not exactly in a hurry, but he doesn't get stuck on the obstacle either. We are passing a sand quarry. This is a good local sand. We usually design our cars for it. Here I decided to step on the gas to drive out beautifully. Damn, this guy doesn't even try. Mansouri pushed a little bit, but also without extreme. So we turned around and headed back. We decided not to repeat the route, but to travel parallel to the trail taken. There was a remarkable mound of concrete waste visible. The composition was a mixture of sand and gravel, and we intended to storm this chicha. Yeah, jumping in full speed didn't work out. Well, there is a special technique in reserve for this case. It's called chak-chak. See? It works. This technique is actually used by those who have to ride in the desert, and as we can see, it works in our case too. Ah, just look at him. That is not fair. Mansouri passed the test quite briskly. That's because he has a very soft foam in his wheels. If anyone doesn't know, soft wheels is the first thing you should take care of in order to successfully drive on sand. Yes! Yes! He finally got stuck. He got hitched to Mansouri with his winch, but Mansouri cannot tow him, so he works as an anchor, and I can only wait and see how they get out of this situation. This is the last stage of our journey, the descent from that very hip. Mr. Mansouri got to finish line first. I also slipped off the pile literally in front of Ahmed, and I had to trudge to a place where I could climb back up into it, but I managed to come second because Hamed's battery died. In general, I liked the new route. What about you? Write your opinion in comments. By the way, if you want to join us, don't be shy, my contacts are on my website. Link is in description. We'll be glad to see you. And yes, I still have to clean it. This is what I use. Here we go. Mirrors. Looks clean now. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye.